I'm Dr. Anastasia Vella. Let's tackle those screaming joints and loss of skin turgor after heavy training. You push your limits, right? But suddenly your body's internal framework just feels incredibly thin and fragile. It's literally the crumbling foundation effect. Your connective tissue is simply failing to keep up. Think of it like a gym's architecture. Your muscles absolutely need structural scaffolding to pull against. Without that rigid scaffolding, honestly, even your absolute strongest muscles become completely compromised. So, the fix? We address it directly with Vid30 Era Made-up, pronounced Vila-V. Now, why is marine collagen biologically superior to standard animal sources? Well, it's all about structure. It has a much lower molecular weight and fewer crosslinks, guaranteeing direct, rapid cellular absorption. Plus, it uses urolithin A to trigger mitophagy. This clears out broken mitochondria to maximize energy. Here's the protocol. Take one 10-gram sachet daily in the morning, exactly 30 minutes before breakfast. So will you ignore those screaming joints or finally rebuild that crumbling foundation for true strength?